At this point, you should be able to do or know how to do most of everything here on assignment 6. Now, when you go to web design and we click assignments here, you'll notice that this assignment needs to be called basics.html. Call it basics.html. And this is how it's going to work. You're going to take and make this web page, and you're going to use these 4 pictures. You're going to put them right here at the bottom. This picture is your choice, something that you think represents you. I chose an apple because I'm a teacher and because I love Apple computers. This is your sentence. You got to have a really cool font for right at the top. Cool font, my first web page. Okay, write something here. I want you to have a background image. The background image is your choice. Find something on Google that's cool, but you must use these pictures. And when you click on the pictures, they need to take you to Batman, football, creatures, and Harry Potter. These are the same assignments you did here. So they need to link to your pages of these, all right? So I'm going to show you a little bit about what to do, but I'm really not going to tell you too much because I want you to kind of do it on your own. Let's get rid of this guy. Let's get rid of HTML color codes. All right, here we go. So here we are, web design, assignments, and assignment 6. Name the file basics.html. It's 10 points. So let's go ahead and go to, let's see, all programs, Notepad+, Notepad+. First thing we're going to do, let's close out this guy. We got a new one, file, save. Oh, we got to put some in it, I guess. Here we go. HTML. And we're going to end HTML. We're going to choose our language. The language is going to be HTML. We're going to save it. It's going to be called basics, and we're good. So basics in my web design folder and save. There we go. First one is done. Sweet. An original title. So like this, my first web page. You need something interesting up there, all right? So let's go and do that. Let's go to maybe head, title, end title, and head. And in the title, we're going to make it, let's call it first page of awesomeness. Oh, yeah. And save it. Start making sure that what we're doing is working. So I'm going to go to my computer. I'm going to go to the M drive and to web design, basics, and let's see what it looks like. Here we go. Perfect. And it says first page of awesomeness right there at the top. Alright, so now we need our title, but our other title, the title that goes here, my first web page. So let's go ahead and put a center tag in. It's going to put font, face equals something, and we're going to make it an H1 tag. That way it's nice and big. There's the end H1 tag, and what should we call it? Let's call it Page of Awesomeness. Sorry for the bell. And there we go, Page of Awesomeness. Let's make the font face something interesting. Maybe Old English Text MT. I'm going to save it. Come over here and hit refresh. There's Page of Awesomeness, as you can see there. Now I want it to be white with a darker background. So let's go ahead and find ourselves a background. So opening up a new tab here. Going to Google. Let's look up dark background. Lots of pictures here, images. Lots of odd, interesting things. Here's one that looks kind of interesting. But it's only 300 by 300, which means it's really small. I need to click large here so I get only the large backgrounds. This one looks kind of cool. But it's blocked. You'll often find a lot of them blocked. That one's blocked too. DeviantArt is pretty much always blocked. Here's one. Looks interesting. Here we go. Full-size image. Right click. You know what? I actually don't like that. Forget that. It's kind of gross. Blocked. Holy cow, come on. There we go. Looks interesting. And save image as. This one I'm going to save the image. I'm going to go ahead and call it, let's get rid of this part, background. I'm going to leave the JPG on. Background. Let's go to my computer and my M drive and my web design folder. And let's save it. I have background.jpg. I can put this as the background. And we'll do that in the next video. Move on to the next one if you would. Thanks, guys.